Do this test right now. Think about reading a book for 1 hour. Not scrolling, not checking your phone, just reading. How does your body feel? If you felt resistance, maybe even discomfort, your dopamine system is already downregulated. This is not laziness, this is biology. Researchers now call this state dopamine poverty. The average person hits their dopamine system over 80 times a day. Scrolling, sugar, notifications, endless content. Your brain was designed for scarcity, but now it's drowning in stimulation. And here's the truth. You're not out of motivation, you're in withdrawal. Let's destroy one myth right now. When you sit down to work and your body refuses to move, that is not a character flaw. That is reward deficiency syndrome. Your dopamine receptors have literally started shutting down. They're not responding anymore. But here's the part most people don't know. This is reversible. There are 2 ways your dopamine gets destroyed. First, low baseline dopamine. This is your starting energy every morning. Bad sleep, stress, poor habits, and you start the day already at 60%. Second, dopamine spikes. Every time you scroll, eat junk, or chase quick rewards, you get a spike, but then a crash. And the crash goes below your normal level. Do this all day, and your baseline keeps dropping. Slowly, silently, permanently. But here's the shift. Your brain adapted to overload, which means it can adapt back. Step 1, remove the spikes. No social media, no junk dopamine. The first 72 hours will feel the hardest. You'll feel restless, irritated, uncomfortable. Good. That means your system is recalibrating. Now you rebuild. 3 things: cold exposure, deep rest, morning sunlight. Cold exposure alone can increase dopamine by up to 250%. And the best part? No crash. Now comes the most important shift. You stop chasing rewards and start rewarding effort. Instead of waiting to feel good after success, you feel good during the work. This rewires your brain. You don't fix this with willpower. You fix it with identity. Not, I'm trying to quit scrolling, but I protect my dopamine system. Not, I lack discipline, but I'm dopamine optimized. When identity changes, behavior follows. Now understand this. Days 3 to 5 will feel the worst. You'll feel bored, empty, restless. That's not failure. That's your brain healing. Stay there, because that discomfort is the repair process. You are not lazy. You are not broken. You are running a powerful system on the wrong inputs. Fix the inputs and everything changes. Start simple. Tomorrow morning, 30 minutes with no phone. Just sit with it. Feel the discomfort. That's your brain resetting. If you're starting, comment hour 0, because this reset starts the moment you decide.